In this video, I'm going to help you fix this: greeting cards and postcards in RedBubble so that you can get more sales. Let's go. Thanks for joining me on this video. My name is Juno with Detour Shirts, the channel all about helping you design and sell t-shirts online. If that's something you like to do, don't forget to hit that subscribe button right there. So in this video, I wanted to help you fix a problem that I have that I just solved. A lot of times when I'm uploading designs to RedBubble, I just bulk upload things and some of the products don't look like it should. And some of those products are greeting cards and postcards. A lot of times they have this white outline. You might have seen it. This is what it looks like right here. So you might have seen postcards that look like these either on your shop or some other shops. What's happening here is that it's not optimized for the right size. And when people are shopping and they see this, they probably don't want to buy it because of this white outline here. So I'm going to help you fix that problem so that when people look at your postcards and greeting cards, they look how they're supposed to. So my hope is that when you fix this problem, your greeting cards and postcards will stand out over most people, and then yours will get more sales. You're going to want to stay till the end of this video so that you can see exactly how to do it step by step. And of course, you want to stay till the end for another edition of Trend Credits. So let's go to RedBubble now. So here we are on RedBubble. This is kind of what you would see after you've saved a design. You can see all the products that it's saved to. If you're like me, you pick all the products that it looks good on. And so when you come down here, you may not have noticed this when you put it on the products, but this is what's happening. You see the postcard here has this white outline, and let's see some other ones here. This greeting card has the white outline right here. It's not filling in the space, right? And you can see, I think the other one is art print right here. You can see it's not filling in the whole art print. So some of these products don't look as good as they should. I'm going to zoom in here. It should go all the way to the edge. When a user sees this or when a buyer sees this, they're going to be like, I don't want to buy this. This is a nice design, but it shouldn't have this white outline. I'll pass, right? So if you make it the right size, hopefully people see it and then they're going to want to buy it. They're more likely to buy this card if it's done in the right way. So let me show you how to do it and what I do to fix it. So first of all, I'm going to go back into editing this. So let's go back and edit it. And we're going to come back down here. And it's going to be this prints, cards, and posters. You're going to see right here, it looks like it's fitting the edge. But I wish RedBubble fixed this so you can see that there is an actual white outline here before you hit yes. It doesn't show that. I'm going to hit edit here. And the thing you're going to want to do is click this and you can see all of these things that it affects. Cards, art prints, metal print, poster, photographic print, canvas print, framed art print. So all of those things are affected by this. We're going to want to look at the size of these. So the way you can do that, it's real easy right here. Click this I need help. So we're going to click that. And then we can see the dimensions. So the dimensions you want to use is down here. Let's go all the way down. So greeting cards right here, 1300 by 900, and postcards. Those were the two big ones, 1300 by 900. But we also have art prints, frame prints, all this wall art too is part of that. I really wish they split it because they're really different. But RedBubble has combined them, so we're going to have to find something that would work for all of these, a size that will work for all of these. So I did the math for you so you can see what's the best pixel size. You may be wondering, what's the best pixel size to fit all of these so that it will work for cards, posters, as well as prints. So let me show you the math that I did. So here are all the different sizes and all the different products. You remember this? So these are all the products we saw earlier, and these are all the sizes that we saw. You can see so many different sizes, right? So this is what I did. I said we need to keep this ratio, 1300 by 900 pixels, and you can times that by 7. And with this, you'll get really close to the biggest size here. So it's just under that. And this is the extra, extra large size. And I don't care about selling that one right there, that really big one. So I'm going to use this. If you want to times it by 8, this will make it so it covers everything. And you could even just times it by 7.5, but I like timesing it by whole numbers. So you could use this. I'm going to use this one, 9100 by 6300. It covers, like I said, 95%, 90%. Just this one, it doesn't cover. So I'm going to go into Affinity Designer. I'm going to show you how to set up an artboard with these dimensions. And then I'll show you how to export the design with this dimensions and then put it back into RedBubble, and you'll see the difference. So here we are in Affinity Designer. The first thing you're going to want to do when you open it up, if you haven't done this already, is to go to Document Setup and change this document units to pixels. So we're going to do that first, pixels, and then hit OK. And then you want to make an artboard with the right size. So click on this tool right here, the artboard tool, and then just drag it like this. So when you click on this artboard here, you can go to transform. It's going to be one of your palettes here. It may be in a different spot. Sometimes it's down below. Just look for it. And then change your width to 6300 and your height to 9100. So that's actually pretty big. I'm going to zoom out here and then make your design fit that space. So I'm going to just grab here. Of course, this is all vectors, so it should fit really well. I'm just going to hold down Shift to make sure that everything scales evenly. And I'm going to put this all the way to the edge so you can see it. I'm going to center this. So this is how your postcard should look like in the end, your greeting card like that, filling up the space, right? So I'm going to take away the background though, because I'm going to use the background from RedBubble. So taking that away, and then I'm going to export this artboard as my new file. So I'm going to call this my postcard or card or whatever you want to call it. So I'm just going to do here, save or export PNG, and you want to export selection without background. Otherwise it's going to have that white background. You don't want the white background. You want it transparent. So selection without background. And when you export it, save it to your desktop, and then we're going to use that PNG. I'll show you where to put that PNG in RedBubble. So let's go back to RedBubble now. So here we are back on RedBubble. We're back on this same spot here that we were before. Let me close this, apply changes. So this one right here, prints, cards, and posters. You can see 7 out of 7 enabled. We're going to go and hit edit. And then we're going to replace image. So we're going to use that image that we saved from Affinity Designer and replace the image from here. So you'll see what happens. So now that I replaced my image, you can see it's still using the same background color that I had. So this is the background color from RedBubble. You can see that this is the right size now, 1300 by 900. And it's working for all these right here, all the prints. So let's hit apply changes and save this work, and you'll see what happened. Click that, save work. And then we're going to scroll down and look at them now. You notice before they had the white outline. Let's see what happens to the white outline as we save this with the new graphic that we just did in Affinity Designer. Scrolling down here. So postcard, perfect. Look at that. No white outline. Metal print, same thing. Mountain print. And what was the other one? Greeting card. Let's look at it. Perfect. No white outline. So it saved it just like we wanted it to. Now when buyers come here, they'll see this card, and this gives it a way better chance of selling than it did with the white outline. So that is how you fix that. And it fits on all the products. You can see there's no errors. If we did it with the smaller size, it would error out and say, well, it wouldn't error out. It would just say it didn't fit for the art prints and all the other things. So make sure to use that bigger size so that it fits on all the art prints and everything. You can see here, it fits perfect in the frame art as well. So no white outlines here. That is how you do it. Hopefully this video was helpful for you. And I just wanted to make sure that you can have the best looking postcards and greeting cards as you should, so that should increase your chances of getting a sale. Let me know how you like this video. Let me know if it was helpful for you. Thanks so much for staying all the way to the end. And your reward for staying all the way to the end is another edition of Trend Credits. Thanks for staying all the way to the end for this Trend Credits. Here is your trend. Thanks Science Vaccine shirt. So you can see here, thanks science. It doesn't actually have to say vaccine. Vaccinated, thanks science again here. Low BSRs, right? I got vaccine. Thanks science. So lots of ways you can do this. Let's check Merch Informer. You can see it's getting an A right here. Here are some other ways that you can do vaccinated t-shirts as well. If you don't have Merch Informer, I have a link in the description here. I wanted to show you again, not just vaccine, but you could just do thanks science. And let's look at some of these. So thanks science is also getting an A. You can see right here. Here's some other ideas. Science doesn't care what you believe. Science is like magic. That's not science. That's weird. Because science, thanks science. So science is the main niche. If you want to do a different phrase for science, think of different things that you can do in there. So the trend is thanks science vaccine, but of course you can use these trends to brainstorm and think of other things if you want to do something original, because science and vaccines and those kinds of things are really popular right now. So think of other designs that you can do in the science or vaccine niche. So that is your trend for this video. Thanks so much for staying all the way to the end. And if this video gave you some value, don't forget to hit that thumbs up and give it a like. And if you're not subscribed to this channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching. And as always, guys, keep creating and keep learning. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.